Today I'm visiting a banana orchard where important field work is in progress. Proper field management plays a key role in healthy banana production. Here, farm workers are cleaning weeds and unwanted grass from the soil. Removing excess grass helps reduce competition for nutrients and water. Clean soil allows better air circulation and prevents pests and diseases. The land is also being leveled carefully. Level fields help in proper water distribution and prevent water stagnation. This simple practice improves root health and overall plant growth. You can also see healthy banana plants carrying fresh fruit. Good field hygiene directly affects fruit quality, size, and uniform growth. Regular orchard maintenance reduces input costs and increases productivity. It is a sustainable farming practice that protects both soil and crops. Healthy fields create healthy crops. This is how simple, natural farm management leads to better results. I hope you found this video useful and informative. If you liked what you saw, please press the like button, it really supports the channel. Share this video with other farmers and friends who care about natural and sustainable farming. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more real field videos, practical farming ideas, and honest results. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.